Okay, we've got this Dodge Bighorn. She's got a little bit of cancer there to take care of on the tailgate. And as you can see, she's bubbled up there where water, something's gotten in from behind. Up in these wheel wells, you can see those spots are bad over here too. Wherever the water got in behind, I think, and just kind of got up in there, and then they just ate this away. So we're gonna try and fix this and coat it, rust coat it, and get it back to normal on this wheel arch and get rid of this cancer. So stay tuned.